Welcome to Statistics 245. This course is 15-week long, and you can finish ahead of time as long as you finish on or before 17th of May. You're going to be okay. The course consists of two parts. One part, you're going to be doing unsupervised work on the publisher's software, which is called Connect. And that's basically what I want to spend some time today. And the second part is to supervise exams or tests. There are three of them that you're going to write either at SAIT Student Testing Services on the second floor above the library or at other approved sites. And they can be written only once. There are no second um, chances for it. And the final exam, the same way, is written only once, and they are supervised. Uh, the, the, the unsupervised exams, most of them it can be written 2 or 3 times, and they're open book, open notes. In order to get there, we have to go to this link that I emailed to you. So if you click on this link, that will take you out automatically to McGraw-Hill. And this is our course 245A, starts on February 25th or before. And you just press register now. Now input your email. So I'm going to put my fictitious mail. And I'm going to register just the first step and submit. Right in this stage, you have 3 options. First, if you purchase a textbook from the SAIT bookstore, new one, then access code is included there. It was shrink wrapped with the textbook. So you just put the access code right in here, submit, and follow the instructions there. You can buy access code and no hard copy of the textbook, just the ebook. You can use your credit card. Or last option, you can establish free trial for 3 weeks, and at that time you can either buy online or you can buy at SAIT bookstore and provide that access code. Now if we stop in here, once you register, you want to bookmark that site and just go back and press sign in, and at this stage you just put your username, your email, not username, email, and password, whatever you established there, and automatically sign in. And that will take you to your menu is going to be slightly different than mine, but we'll get there, to this course. And I'm going to show you your view. So that's what you're going to see once you sign up to Connect. So this is Connect. And the very first thing very first few things I want to show, you're going to see assignments. So assignment 1, 2, and 3. Assignment 1 covers chapter 1, and you have until February 15th to do this assignment. You get 2 attempts for this assignment, and the best score stays. Then you get assignment 2, 3. Then you get practice exam. You can do as many times as you want it. And after that, you're going to write first supervised exam, which is going to be in Student Testing Services. You're going to write only once, or other approved sites. Now, to see how that works, if you click on Library, you're going to have access to ebook. So click on ebook. Now we're going to see an entire book in here. So obviously you will go, let's say I'm going to select, you're going to start with chapter 1, of course. So chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3. Once you do those 3 assignments, then you're ready for the first supervised test or supervised exam that is worth 10% of your final mark. And it's going to be based on those 3 assignments, assignment 1, 2, and 3. Now, if I choose assignment chapter 3, I want to just show you how that works. There are a few nice features in here. So let's say I want to go and study some learning objective 3. So anytime I study, I'll see that there is eProfessor, and that's a really nice feature because you're going to have a very quick video that is going to explain basic concepts in 2 to 2.5, 3 minutes. And so I strongly encourage you to do that. So you can just play that test. I'm going to stop it. And then another nice feature that you're going to see, beside eProfessor, you're going to see also video lectures. And that's a really nice feature because you're going to see actual lecture that you can again stop and play back. So in this case, we're going to see, you could see entire lecture, full explain. And I'm going to stop right now because that's enough for the text. Now let's go back to assignment. So assignment 1, let's say you read the chapter 1, you viewed some lectures and eProfessor and video, and you're ready to do assignment. It's open book, open notes, and when you open, you'll see something of this sort. So I'm gonna do the preview. For first assignment, you have 6 questions, and there are 60 points for that assignment. So there's lots of help that is available to you. So in the first question, you have this question, given the boundaries of the value 3.46 tons, the boundaries are, and you basically say, well, I don't know how to start. So you can basically go and say, show me. You can go and say guided solution. You can ask for hint. You can put your answer and check my work. And so if we say show me, then the whole problem is going to be solved for you. So the full explanation is given and the entire problem is shown. Entire solution is shown too. Then you can basically say, I want to practice this question again. So similar question is going to be reappearing in here. And you can practice that question again. Again, in this situation, you should be able to solve it, but if not, you can again say, show me, and again, they fully explain. So that's a pretty good feature. There's also reference to the text, that this is what chapter and what section, but obviously we know that this is chapter 1. Once you do that, you submit, and then you can, if you're not happy, you can repeat that question again. Okay, so that's it. To review all the material from chapter 1, 2, and 3, you can go to practice test, and this one is unlimited, so you can practice as many times as you wanna. And in this case, you can actually go and preview. You get more questions in here. You got 41 questions, but you can just view as many times as you wanna. So every single question you can basically just show me, and you can just say, you have to say give up, and then it give you answer false. It is a data value. And then go to the next question. So you go in here and just press next question, and question 2 appears. And again, keep on going that, so you're going to see the whole solution. So that's how. Now let's go back to D2L now. Now we are back at D2L. So in D2L, you're going to have a messages from me, and then the most important aspect are student resources. So you're going to see relative parts of material that you're supposed to study. So the first one that you see in here is Texas Instrument 8384 keystrokes that we can use when working on problems in statistics. Then showing a typical work example, how much work you're supposed to show on exams. And then uh, Blumen PowerPoint presentation. So all the chapters from chapter 1 to chapter 14 are available in here. We don't do chapter 13, we don't cover chapter 12, and we don't cover chapter 9. Other chapters we cover. So this is pretty quick. If you go to chapter 1, you're basically going to see quickly what we cover in chapter 1. So it's an additional material in short version from the textbook. So this is the entire chapter 1 very quickly. In conjunction with the textbook, you can cover that material very efficiently. And that's probably all what we have for now. I hope that was sufficient for you to get starting. So the very first thing that you want to do, you want to establish your account with McGraw-Hill by either establishing temporary access code trial basis, or if you purchase textbook, just open up an account right now and work on assignment 1, 2, and 3. If there is anything else you need, just send me email and I'll try to respond as quickly as possible. Also, I would like to have your phone number that I can contact you just in case I need to cover or something that was not covered so far. Thank you very much.